Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So in the last tutorial, I have make you understand how to create a lightbox. So continuing with my that tutorial only. Like in this tutorial, I have in the last tutorial, I have let you explain how to create a lightbox and how this image is being displayed over here. So in this tutorial, I will place a close button over here, and after clicking on a close button, it will move to its original the document, the image which is being placed at the top of your screen, and the black image will be, and the black this division that has a color of black color, it will be disappearing. So moving to that part, like what I'm going to do here is I will create a division with a class name close. It's my the previous video. If you want to like uh, uh, get a thorough information about this jQuery Lightbox, you must watch my previous video or previous lecture, so to have a better clarification of the Lightbox. So moving to this part, like I'm creating one division with the class close, and here I will go for close, and so position absolute will help me giving the position as there the x comes. So position absolute top 0, right 0, let it background color red, color should be white. So here it comes. Then we can just put a 5 pixel from right. So the padding padding will be 10 pixel. So this is, and we can give a border radius of 5 pixel. So this is a 5 pixel border radius, and in starting I can just put it to display none. So in starting I don't need that. When I need that is after clicking an image. If you the image will be displayed at the center of your screen, so at that time we need a close button in order to close that. So here I will write a new line. So whenever any image is being clicked, close should also come in front of my screen. So here the close comes. So I can like one more property I like to attach over here is cursor pointer. So what does cursor means? Cursor is a hand button. So moving to the next part, like I will now attach an event of click with this close button. So click function. So now what I'm going to hide is image main will be hide. I can just put comma separated all the class names that I need to hide, the fade one and the close one, dot fade out. So if I'm going to refresh this, let's click on an image. This image has been, the third image has been opened in the front of my screen. So by clicking on the close button disappears, the black screen disappears, and the image that is being opened, that is being disappeared. So how does it works? I have just placed a division with the class close, and I have attached it as CSS property as position absolute top 5 pixel, top 0 right 5 pixel, and the loading time I have just implemented, attached a property as display null. It will not show at the time of loading of my page. So whenever the image is being clicked, the image fade, image main, and the close is being displayed on your screen by, because I have written here as fade in. So fade in will just display the all the elements that are display none. It will be shown, and by clicking on this close button I have attached an event over here, the close dot click function image main. This is the image main. Then the fade is a black screen, and the close is a button itself. So whenever I'm going to click over here, it will just close my all part, my image, my divisions, and the close button. So in this way, you can just implement the close button in your jQuery Lightbox. I hope you like my tutorial. So in order to get all the latest update of jQuery, PHP, and many more tutorials, you can just subscribe my channel. Click the bell button to get all the latest updates of my video. Thanks for watching my video.